Latest digital trends. WhatsApp to soon get email verification feature. X adds streamlined reply option for DMs, shares details of coming audio and video calls. Meta provides explicit controls for users to remove their data from generative AI training sets. Google launches AI-powered search in India in English and Hindi. Google Maps starts rolling out new UI design with fresh colors. Meta may offer ad-free subscriptions for Instagram and Facebook in the EU. Instagram Threads to soon add search function. Microsoft adds Bing Chatbot to Chrome. Instagram gets a tablet layout on Android. Alphabet, Google, boosts Google Cloud with H100-Powered A3 VMs. Google adds AI-infused sustainability tools to Google Maps platform. Meta launches new FACET Dataset to address cultural bias in AI tools. Meta to end cross-app messaging between Facebook Messenger, Instagram, report. Shopify rolling out TikTok Shop integration. Zoom adds collaborative notes you can edit while on a video call. For more digital trend, visit kiranvaliti.com.